Hi, I'm Karen Cunningham and I'm an occupational therapist working with children in Albany, Oregon in the schools. Today I'm going to talk to you about putting together a fine motor kit. The purpose of this kit is to give children activities that will challenge their hand skills. We really want to focus in on hand strength, finger dexterity, and grasp. I put this kit together with the idea that you should be able to find most of the objects within your own home. That way you don't have to leave and go shopping. These activities should be light, they should be fun. I would take this kit and store it in between uses. That way it's a special thing that you take out and say, oh, we're going to play with the fine motor kit today. There are 3 things I'd like you to think about when you use it. 1, it would be great to use before you are going to write or do some drawing as a hand warm-up. 2, it should be very light and fun. This is an activity if you bring it out and say to your child, I want you to pick 3 things from the box today, and then they get to have some choice in it. And the last thing is, please don't force them to do an activity if they don't like it. This should be kind of a reward or a novelty activity, something that your kids will enjoy doing. I'm going to have a list of all of the things I put in the box I will share with your special education teachers, and they can pass it on to you. Also, I'm making a series of really short clips about how to use each object. Each clip is about maybe a minute long. I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you soon.